Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Amazon Associates mobile deep links in USA, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Amazon Associates mobile deep links in the USA, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Navigate to the Tools section in the top menu after logging in. Look for the option labeled Link to any page. Click on it to open the linking tools. Select Mobile Deep Link from the available linking options. You will now see a prompt guiding you through the mobile deep linking process. If you haven't already, ensure your Amazon Associates account is in good standing. Read through the guidelines provided for mobile deep linking to understand the requirements. Next, choose a product that you want to create a deep link for. Input the product's ASIN or use the search function to find it. Once you locate the product, click on it to configure your link. Choose the appropriate mobile deep link format for your needs. After selecting the format, you may have the option to customize your link. Make sure to review the link to ensure all details are correct. Copy the generated mobile deep link to your clipboard. You can now use this link in your mobile promotions. Double-check that the link directs to the intended Amazon product when clicked. If any issues arise, revisit the Amazon Associates help section for troubleshooting tips. After verifying your link, you're ready to incorporate it into your content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.